Mama Cooking. So this is my first video for 2018 and I would like to wish everyone a very happy new year.
It's already March. Isn't it kind of late?
Well, it's better late than never, right? Happy New Year, everyone! So for the very first dish, we're going to make a very awesome and delicious dish. We'll be making KFC.
KFC? I love Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Nope, it's Korean fried chicken. Glazed with soy garlic honey sauce. The chicken is tender and juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside, and glazed with a flavorful and savory sauce. But first, to savor on this amazing dish, we need to marinate the chicken with the following ingredients.
I don't see any salt. Is the salt invisible?
I've run out of salt. Luckily, I still have some pink salt. As usual, add salt to taste. Measurements for ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. Mix well. Marinate the chicken for at least 2 to 3 hours. For me, I will marinate the chicken for 8 hours or more. Crispy prawn rolls with cheese, tofu with prawns, prawn paste chicken, etc. I'll put the link to these recipes in the iCard. Good morning everyone, I'm so excited the chicken should be well marinated. Take out the chicken and let it reach room temperature. In the meantime, we can prepare the sauce. Heat the pan on small fire. Add the garlic before the butter melts completely. Stir fry the garlic for about a minute or until it's fragrant. Then add the marine. Cook for about a minute and set aside. For deep frying the chicken, I'm using peanut oil, also known as groundnut oil. It is really fragrant and has a high smoking point. If you are allergic to peanuts, you can opt for other oils with high smoking points. The smoking point refers to the temperature at which oil burns and smokes. Only when the chicken has reached room temperature, coat them with corn flour. Be sure to coat the chicken well because we want to seal in the juice when we deep fry the chicken in a very hot oil. I recommend using a pot that is deep enough and don't have the oil filled up too high, the oil will.
I'm very useful.
When it starts bubbling like that around the chopstick, it's time to get deep frying. Gently lower the chicken. Spread them out, if not they might stick together. Don't cook too many at one go as this will lower the temperature of the oil by too much, causing the chicken to be greasy. Cook in batches. Cook for about 3 minutes before turning them over and then cook for another 3 minutes. Strain and let them rest for about 5 minutes. Turn down the fire to small and remove these stuff. When the oil is hot enough again, cook the chicken a second time. Frying the chicken twice will make the chicken more crispy. It smells so good, but I shall wait for the special sauce. Reheat the sauce on small fire. Add the honey and chicken and mix it all up. Add the sesame seeds turn off the fire and add the spring onion. Okay, it is time for some food testing.
Yummy, yummy. Oh, 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 oh. Delicious. Ah, I'm so full.
I didn't get to eat any, so I think the next video shall be bear stew.
Bear stew?
Thank you and see you in the next video.